Hello, hello, hello. My name is Edward Fox. I'm a digital marketing and advertising expert, and I want to answer one question for you right here, right now. There's a question: will digital marketing replace traditional marketing? And I want to tell you no. Digital marketing will supplement traditional marketing. Traditional marketing includes the things that we've been seeing and the things that we've known for years past and years to come. This means radio, newspapers, anything that's offline that gets in front of a person that is a potential customer for a business. This helps. And this is the basis for digital marketing and advertising. So I want you to know that people are still going to be reading books. Any way that humans can communicate with each other is a tool that can be used to market businesses and products and services. So please know that digital marketing will not replace traditional marketing. Digital marketing will continue to supplement traditional marketing. When I say supplement, I mean a business needs to be doing traditional marketing and digital marketing and advertising. I need you to know this, so when you're moving forward in your business, I want you to be doing both. I will tell you, you're going to want to evaluate which medium, whether online or offline, is bringing you the most return on investment. And based on my studies, the most return on investment will be coming from what you can track, which is online. You can track link clicks, you can track conversions, you can track click-through rate, you can track email opens, you can track how much money you will have coming back based on how much money you're putting out with digital marketing and advertising. But with a billboard, which is more on the traditional side, you can't really say how many people have seen this billboard and how many people actually bought from you. And a part of the billboard thing, which is on the traditional marketing side, yet again, I'm saying this, with traditional marketing, with the billboards, people are placing their billboards on a certain street because they know, or they hear, or they're told that this street gets so and so amount of cars passing, like driving down the street every day. So your thought process is, okay, maybe 55,000 cars are going to see my billboard every day. But I tell you what, with online billboards, a digital billboard, a display advertisement, or even an advertisement on Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn or even Instagram, you can see before you even pay for the advertisement, usually you can see that your advertisement, based on how much money you are able to invest in this advertisement, you can see that 55,000 people will be able to see this advertisement within a matter of days, weeks, months, or even hours sometimes. So I need you to understand that digital marketing will continue to supplement traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is here to stay. I need you to know that. Traditional marketing is here to stay. Any way that humans can communicate with each other to spread ideas, spread messages, anything. Any way that humans will continue to spread love and spread messages to each other is a way that a business can market itself, its products, and its services. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Edward Fox. I'm a digital marketing and advertising expert. I am the CEO of Fox Emergence, and we are here to serve you and serve your business to get you more customers online with digital marketing and advertising. Thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you very soon. I want you to book a call. I'll leave the link down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.